Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for David in North Carolina on this RCI-2970N2. David, got it ready to go for you, bud? Our tune alignment. I have one more 2970N2 left, and unless RCI changes their mind, there will not be any more. So let's just get right to it. RF power all the way down, 100-watt slug. We get you set up about 5 watts, so if you decide to run an amp, David, you have full adjustability. 40 watts all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. 100 watts in the corner. Let's put this on average in 250 watt scale. Hello. 120 bird. Peak power. Hello. 250 watt slug in the corner. Alright, David. It's ready to come to you. Hope you enjoy it. Your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.